How can you make money on Google Maps? And is it really easy to earn hundreds of dollars by using Google Maps as some videos claims or what is true? Hey, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video, I'm going to show you about making money by using Google Maps. And therefore, in this video here, I will explain some of the big misunderstandings. I want to explain how you potentially can do it. Realistically, show the steps and show one very important aspect that most people forget to tell you when it comes to making money on Google Maps that is very important for you to be able to succeed and find out if it really is. So let me just go over all this, and then you can find out if this is the right option for you. So let me start by going over step by step how you can potentially earn money by using Google Maps. And I will do this a little bit quickly because the main aspect to succeed here is not what most people focus on, because it is instead on what they do not tell you. And that's what I will be focusing on. Okay? The steps that you usually would take is that you go to Google Map. You search for Flexitime electrician plumber. It can be whatever, some kind of local shoe store. And then a city does not have to be the city you live in. It does not necessarily even have to be in your country. You just find, for example, now here I've just chose electrician, New York. You go to the city map here. You can see all these here, where people have what they call Google My Business here. And this is where people find them through reviews and all that. So what you can do is to go through here, find some that have not been claimed. You will be able to see that they've not been claimed. So that means the stores are not yet actually actively using Google My Business. That means they do not know what the potential they're missing out on, because you can see, of course, people show up here, they have a way bigger chance of getting claims. That's one way to find potential ways to earn here. Another approach is to try to find some that are not ranked so high here, because they might need help to get ranked higher. If you can tell them about the benefits of that. So that is what people in general will tell you. That's what you need to do. You then go to the website. You send them an email telling them you have examined, not claimed your Google My Business. This is the benefit of it. If you're seeing there, you can give this and this much business and then give them a price for you to do that. Or you can offer it for free to at first list them and then optimize it later. You can charge them more for that. That is the general idea of how to do this. I'm not spending too much time talking about that because, as mentioned, this is not the thing you need to consider to find out if this is for you or not. This is kind of the first step, however, and the second step is then, what if you do not know how to optimize Google My Business to help people to be found? And that's where the next step comes in. Before we go over the missing part, they definitely also need to consider it. So if you have no idea how to do Google optimization for local businesses, you can go to a platform like Fiverr. There are many people you can see this 8,000 to 2,000 services available. When I searched for Google My Business all these years is offering you optimize Google My Business. That means that if you can get the clients, you can actually outsource them. Actually work by someone that is really good at doing it. So that's the second step, and this is also what most other people tell you. And then they say, that's it. You make $500 a day. You just charge someone $500 a month. You find 10 clients like that, or whatever, 20, and then you outsource $400 to make $400. That's easy money. Well, in theory, yes, but this is where this missing part I was talking about becomes very important. So let me talk about that next. So, for this to work, it's not about you finding the businesses on Google My Business. It's not about you being able to outsource. That is very easy for you to succeed with this method here. You need to be great at selling, and that's why I say this is not for everyone, but most videos make it look like you just sent the script. They give you a script, send this email here to the local businesses and tell them why they should hire you. It's easy. They will apply. I have worked for quite a few different online marketing local marketing agencies. And it's not that easy to just send an email. You need to really tell them about the benefits you need to do follow-up calls. And even if you send 100 emails, you have to be lucky if just one of them respond and is interested. It's not easy to get local clients like that. A ton of calls and emails constantly. So, for you to stand out is not easy. And this is what most people forget to tell you. It's not about all the aspects. Yes, you can outsource that. Yes, you can find different people, businesses that need this help here, but to make money you need to be great at selling. You need to have a unique angle to just use a script will not work. We'll have to be extremely lucky to just get a few clients like that. And that's why I record this video here, because most people are not telling you that. And then you will end up wasting a lot of time by sending hundreds of emails, and you get very frustrated, or they just told me it was so easy, but why am I not getting any clients? Well, that's because the local businesses get hundreds of calls and emails per month, maybe, especially in bigger cities. And everyone is trying to convince them that they should use them to optimize different parts of their business. And this is very important to consider. Yes, you can make money with Google Maps by following this method here, but it isn't only for you. If you know you have a great angle, if you know your creator selling, if you know that you maybe even have contacts in certain local areas where you can convince them to, then take on you. And then, of course, you need to make sure that the people that you hire to do this here, if you're not great at it, yourself actually do know how to do it. So you do a proper job, because if not, you will not build it up and get more clients and things like that. And that's also just unethical to hire someone that does not really know. So you need to make sure that aspect is okay as well. If you can do all that, you can make money with Google. It's just not as easy as many people want you to believe. You can potentially earn hundreds of dollars per day, but that will require a lot of skills, and it will require a lot of time to build up in most cases also. So to sum it all up, as you can see, I think it can be a way to make money on Google Maps by following this method. It's just not really necessarily a method that I recommend. It really depends on your skills and on your interests. And of course, you do need to make sure that you provide quality. I always say that you should always make sure to only use ethical ways to make money. And a part of that is to always provide quality. If you try to make, but it's just not an option for all, because not everyone. In fact, a few people are able to sell the way that it's necessary to be able to make this work. And that's why it's really not a great option for all of you. Ways to make money online, where you can earn right away without having to sell them. There are plenty of free ways. I believe links below 2 options where you can find easy online money methods. We do not have to go through that selling, because that is the key to succeeding with making money on Google Maps. And that is the key that most people do not tell you. And that is why I made this. And I hope that this made it very clear who it is for. So you will only do this if you know this is really some skills you have. And if not, then it's great. Then at least you found out, and then you will not waste your time. Remember, you can make money today if you take an action. Then you can focus on other ways to make some extra money. And if this video helped you, then make sure to hit the like button. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. She won't miss out next time, and submit it with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.